Rajasthan Public Service Commission Stenographer Exam 2000 level dictation 100 words per minute start. Unemployment is a very serious problem in our country. Both the educated and the uneducated are facing it. It is in town as well as in the village. It has made life miserable. It is increasing very fast. There are many causes of unemployment. The fast increase in population is the main cause. It is not possible to provide jobs for everyone. Growing population has made economic planning meaningless. A large number of people can be employed in the industries, but their development is slow. Our education system is also responsible for this problem. It is more bookish than practical. It is aimless. It does not make young men fit for any work. After taking degrees, they run after jobs. White collars jobs are limited. Youths do not want to carry on the profession of their ancestors. Dignity of labor is aligned to them. They would not like even to soil their hands by washing their own clothes. This has made the problem all the more serious. Our government is also responsible for this problem. It has failed to create jobs. It should give loan to those who want to start some business. But it is very unfortunate that the government helps only big businessmen and industrialists. It is indifferent to the poor. Unemployment is great a curse. Its evil effect can be seen in social life. It encourages dishonestly. An unemployed man is all the time upset. It creates tension in the family. The fire of hunger consumes all the noble virtues of a person. Our education system should be changed. It should be according to the need of the country. It should be job oriented. Then it will help in removing unemployment. Higher education should be selective. Only those who have aptitude for higher education should be allowed to join colleges or universities. Others should receive technical examination and education. It will give them opportunities to work and earn. Villages are the real wealth of the country. They should be made more attractive. There should be opportunities for work and jobs. New methods of farming should be found. Cottage industries should be developed. Then the village youths will not run to cities for jobs. They will take to farming. They can also earn though cottage industries. Serious efforts should be made to fight the monsters of unemployment. Because of unemployment, we see agitations and strikes from time to time. A jobless person turns to crime. If this problem is not solved, it will create unrest. Poverty is a curse. It is the root of many evils. A poor man has to work very hard for the bare necessaries of life. He cannot think of the better and comfortable life. He is always worried. He has no peace of mind. Overwork and poor food have a bad effect on his health. Pleasures are comforts and mere dreams for him. Poverty creates all kinds of difficulties and problems. It prevents a man from making progress. He borrows money to satisfy small needs of life daily. He feels worried when he finds it difficult to repay the money. He cannot give good education for these children. Money and education are needed to be successful in life. People look down upon a poor man, although he may have many good qualities. He feels inferior. He cannot move in society with self-respect. Poverty makes him dull and helpless. He feels that he has no strength to fight against bad circumstances. He loses confidence. He feels that his stars are not in his favor. The future is hopeless for him. His mental psychological is disturbed for this poverty. He sometimes blames his own faith and sometimes the society in which he lives. A poor man's children go about half starved. They have no proper clothes to wear. He is often unable to educate them. His children begin to earn at an early age. This checks their all round development. They have a poor chance of rising in life. Poverty compels the poor people to commit crime. They become criminals. It makes man dishonest. The fire of hunger destroys all the noble virtues of a person. To fulfill their needs, they turn into thieves and murderers. They are so disappointed that they run homes or put an end to their lives. For poverty, both men and society are responsible. The social system is such that a few people enjoy all the comforts of life. A large number of people remain poor and backward. Therefore, such a social system must change. Sometimes people themselves are responsible for the poverty. They are lazy and have bad habits like gambling and drinking. Many evils of poverty will disappear with the spread of education. Lack of money is the root of all evils. Efforts should be made to remove poverty. There should be jobs or work for everyone. India is a vast country. People of different castes, communities, and religions live here. They have different thoughts and habits. Sometimes their habits and behavior are harmful to society. So, our society is not free from evils. These evils come in the way of social development. Super situations are one of the greatest social evils. Many people believe in evil spirituals and ghosts. Sadas and cunning people take advantage of such people. They make people do crucial and inhuman deeds. People who have no children do crucial things. They make sacrifice of animals and human beings. So do strange things to get wealthy and children. Dowry system is the greatest crise of our society. It has disturbed the peace and happiness of home and society. In the past, parents gave dowry to their daughter at the time of her marriage. It was a kind of gift. In course of time, this feeling changed. Now it has become essential to bring dowry. The evil effect of dowry can be seen in our social life. Many girls remain unmarried because their parents cannot give dowry. Suitable match depends on dowry. The demand for dowry is on the increase. Stop.
சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் உங்கள் ஃபோன் நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனை தேடி வரும்.